There comes a point in every journey, especially the one from fearful to fierce, where you must stop and ask yourself, what is my why? Your why is not just your dream, it's not your title, it's not even your pain. Your why is the fire beneath your choices, the purpose behind your perseverance. It is the soul-stirring reason you rise again and again, even when life knocks you to your knees. Without a clear why, motivation dies quickly. We shrink back, play small, settle for crumbs. But when your why is rooted in something deeper than fear, deeper than applause, deeper than doubt, you become unstoppable. From fearful to fierce isn't just a catchy phrase. It's a lifestyle, a commitment to intentional, focused, and deliberate action. Daily deliberate action that propels you into becoming the best version of you. And that journey begins with knowing your why. Not for the world, not for approval, but for the legacy you were born to build. So, why do you wake up and show up? Why do you fight, forgive, and begin again? Name it, claim it, then let it fuel your fire. The fiercest version of you is hiding behind the reason you refuse to give up. Find that reason, find your why, and you'll find your wings. My name is Sarah Udog-Rossford now. I'm the brain behind From Fearful to Fierce. Until next time.